The purpose of this video is to illuminate and explain different aspects of the Call of Duty PC community. Hello fellow gamers, YouTubers, brothers and sisters. This is a story about a broken community. A story about a rotting and self-deteriorating Call of Duty community with no future whatsoever. In this community, the rules are simple. Have a Steam profile. Be a decent sniper. Play Call of Duty 4, MW2, BO, or MW3. Have a strong reputation. Have plus 100 friends. If your friends list is full, you are awesome. Be different. Push standards forward. Act childish. Be funny. Or at least try. And the most critical, be active on YouTube. Be successful. So this brings us to the million-dollar question. How do you become successful? Also, the answer to this is plain. 1. You upload content, episodes, commentaries etc. on a regular basis. 2. People like your content. They spread your videos. You earn subscribers. Subscribers are everything in this community. But in order to get subscribers, you must upload sick content. Sick is a vague term, defined by the tendencies, the standards at the time. Currently, the standards are minimum a quick, unsplit quad feed. 5-man feeds and upwards are the only clips being completely accepted in montages and episodes. This brings us to the main issue. The very essence why the PC community is failing and consoles community is not. People hack. In thousands, people like you and me struggle to get feeds reaching the standards at the time. But when you go to school, have a job, have a girlfriend etc., it seems like an impossible mission to get the feeds required. So what is the last resort if you don't have time for 25 hours of COD on a weekly basis? Hack. People hack, for a shit ton of reasons, all related to lacking time and or skill. And since VAC is, excuse the harsh language, a worthless pathetic piece of dysfunctional shit. And since Infinity Ward and Sledgehammer Studios are a bunch of lazy-ass bitches, not willing to construct a new improved and more advanced and hack-proof engine for the Call of Duty series to run on. Reasoned VAC, IW, Sledgehammer and other parties working on COD. There are only one way to stop the hackers from ruining the community we have just started building. This brings us to the sole purpose of this channel, if to call out hackers. We must, and I repeat, we must call out the hackers to stop them ruin the game for the rest of us honest players. This is Ben Syntax, explaining this community. In a not so far away future I will make a video lighting up exactly how to call out and bust hackers. This channel is crucial in order for the community to last. Spread the word. Post this video everywhere. Send it to your friends and foes. Be aware that our community is not functioning as it should. Know what is wrong. Subscribe to this channel. If you are a clan, become my partner, letting other clans know that you value a clean game. We rebuild the community. We will leave no stone unturned.